The last day of April, and for some, it finally feels like spring. Some places seeing lots of blue sky today, but others staying cloudy. As you can see here from the satellite image, a cracking start to the day from northeast England all the way down to the southeast across the Midlands and the far northwest of Scotland. But elsewhere, we've got low pressure dominating, and it's another fairly grey day in the west. The isobars pretty close together as well. So as well as being cloudy, it's quite blustery, and these weather fronts are also providing outbreaks of rain. Now, that low pressure isn't whizzing across the country. It's kind of just staying still. So we're going to see more of the same through the day. Further rain to come across South Wales, southwest England, particularly Somerset and Devon. Rain spreading across Cumbria, southwest Scotland. May cheer up a little bit in Northern Ireland. That rain pushing up towards the Western Isles. All the while, down the eastern side, it's mostly set fair. Just the possibility of one or two showers for parts of Suffolk and Kent. But generally, central and eastern England having a fine spring day. And that's where we'll see the top temperatures. 16, 17. 18, maybe 19, possibly even 20 Celsius, whereas further west with the cloud, as you would expect, it is a good deal cooler. It's also a bit cooler. We've got this brisk breeze bringing a chill along some of those coasts across Aberdeenshire and across the Northern Isles too. As we go through this evening, we'll see a bit more of that wet weather for Somerset, extending into southeast Wales, perhaps for a time across the West Midlands, but tending to ease off. A few more showers, though, potentially coming into parts of East Anglia, up towards Lincolnshire for a time through the early hours. But for many, it will stay dry through the night, and a reasonably mild night as well, double digits in many towns and cities, maybe a little bit lower across northwest Scotland with some clearer skies and lighter winds here. On to Wednesday, and a different feel, particularly for northeastern parts of England and eastern Scotland. Cloud and some outbreaks of rain just in here. Most of that rain fairly light and patchy, but a much greyer day here, whereas it will be a much brighter day for Wales and southwest England. Plenty of sunshine to come to in western Scotland, and generally a brighter, drier day also for Northern Ireland. With a bit more sunshine, we will see higher temperatures, but with more clouds and the breeze starting to come in from the North Sea, quite a bit cooler for northeast England and eastern Scotland, some 5 or 6 degrees lower in places, but with some sunshine again, parts of East Anglia, maybe the Midlands, and particularly western Scotland, 18, 19, 20 degrees Celsius, and feeling warmer with brighter skies in the southwest. But notice towards the south, an area of heavy rain moving in, and this needs watching. It could contain some pretty lively downpours, the potential for some thunder and quite a bit of lightning, particularly as we go through Wednesday night and into Thursday, as more of this heavy rain starts to come up from the south. So parts of Wales, southern England, could see some big downpours, lots of flashes of lightning through Wednesday night and into the early hours of Thursday morning. That is something we need to keep a close eye on. We will, of course, keep you updated. And the best way for you to stay up to date is to, if you haven't done already, hit subscribe.